The basic definition of a method is as follows. We have the return type, the method name, and optional parameters. A method can return a certain result. We then have to tell the compiler of what type this result will be. For example, a method can return a result of type double after addition of two numbers passed as arguments. A method can, however, not return any results, but instead be responsible for displaying certain information, for example. And in that case, we use the keyword void as a return type. The method's naming convention is similar to the one for variables, and we also use the camel case writing. As you can see, the name of the method, as opposed to class fields, has round brackets at the end and the body in curly brackets one. In the round brackets, we can define the method's parameters, i.e. a set of special variables which will only be available in this method's body. We will be able to pass on these parameters at the place of invoking the method. If a method returns a certain result, then the last instruction has to be to return the value with the use of the keyword return. The returning value has to be consistent with the type declared as a return type. Otherwise, the compiler will report an error.